Metronome. Friendly interface. Get acquainted with an easy-to-use interface. Beat and tempo selection. Set the beat and tempo to suit your needs. Adjustable volume. Suitable for practice at home or in music classes.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Metronome app. Press the play button in order to start the metronome. If you wish to stop the metronome, press the pause button. If you wish to change the beat, click here, then choose from the available options. With the help of the slider, you can adjust the tempo between 40 and 240 BPM. The selected tempo is displayed in the bottom left-hand corner. By clicking on this icon, the volume bar appears where you can adjust the volume. If you click on the first bar, you mute the metronome. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, do not hesitate to contact us.